The second edition of the International Leap exhibition was started in Saudi Arabia, in which more than 900 companies from around the world are participating in the 4-day exhibition. More than 500 investors are also participating, while the famous companies of Pakistan are also participating in the exhibition. 28 companies related to information technology are also from Pakistan in the exhibition. Ambassador of Pakistan Ameer Khurram Rathore inaugurated the Pakistani Pavilion. On this occasion, he said Saudi Arabia is a big market for information technology and IT has 60% shares in the projects under Vision 2030. He also said that Pakistan is going to sign an agreement with Saudi Arabia at the government level so that Pakistani IT companies can develop better in Saudi Arabia. Azhar Ali Dahir, Minister of Trade and Investment of the Embassy of Pakistan, said that IT companies of the Pakistani private sector should ensure maximum participation in the leap.